Hey class, this week we are talking all about exploring the world around us and describing it using color words. So in order to describe color words, we first have to see those colors. So this is a perfect time to introduce this new sight word. So we spell it S-E-E-C-C-C. And the S says it sound like normal, S, and then two E's together say E. So S-E-C. So let's really quickly review these, this word and our other ones. So S-E-E-C-C-C. C-A-N, can. Ooh, another one, but it's upside down. C-A-N, can. I. The. T-H-E, the. And. A-N-D, and. Like. L-I-K-E, like. T-H-E, the. L-I-K-E, like. And make sure you use these words in your writing. Good luck this week learning your sight words.